morning students, welcome back to Sandy Penny Educational Academy. So today we are going to learn mathematics class 3rd, chapter number 14th, geometry. In this you have to count all the vertical lines. Vertical lines means the straight line like this, vertical lines, horizontal line, a slant line. Here it is no necessarily like this, slant line, and then the curved plane figures. So plane figures are also called 2D figures or the flat figure. प्लेन फिगर वो होते हैं जो 2D फिगर्स होते हैं, और यू कैन से द फ्लैट फिगर्स. एग्जाम्पल स्क्वायर, rectangle, a triangle, a circle or an oval are the plane figure. Let us do this. Vertically means standing 1 and 2. Horizontal 1 2 3 4. Slant 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. And here 1 2 3. Only one it is there, one. Okay, same way you have to do this also and this also. You can't take curve lines means like this will be zigzag line. Okay, these are not included in curve line, so be careful while doing this. Now the next is the square. So it has 4 corners. 4 means like this, P, Q, R, and this corners. 4 sides, PQ, QR, RS, and PS. This all the 4 sides equal. That means PQ is equal to QR, and QR this PQ, QR, RS, and PS all are equal. Means all are the 4 4 4. If you are taking 1 4, then all will be 4. Next is rectangle. So here given ABCD is rectangle. It also have 4 corners, A, B, C, D. It has 4 sides, AB, BC, CD, and DA, ED. Opposite sides equal, like AB is equal to CD. If this is 3, then this is also be 3. This is equal to this means this is 5, then it will be 5. Triangle LMN. LMN is a triangle. It has 3 sides, 1 2 and 3. 3 corners, 1 2 and 3. Circle. So circle is one curved side. A curved side, it has no corners. Oval is also one curved side. It has no corners. So what shape will you get if you trace the outline of the following object? Write the number of sides and the corner of each head. So no sides, no corner, only outline. It has said only the outline, so only outline we will say 4 4, and this is the triangle. Okay, 4 4 and triangle. That means rectangle, square, and triangle. You have to write how many corners and the sides the rectangle, square, and triangle have, because circle does not have any sides or any corners. So now it comes faces, edges, and corners. So faces, these are the faces. The faces are the upper and the vertex means the corner. Corner means the vertex. Edge means that these lines are the edges. Faces are the 2D shapes like this. A surface of a solid shape is called face. Side where 2 surfaces meet is called an edge. Point where edges meet, this and this are the meeting point, so this edges. But corner, when the vertex means this and these are meeting here, so this is the vertex. Different solid shapes have different surfaces and edges. Now we are coming with the plane and the curved surface. Okay, the floor, the top of the table, background, these are the plane surface. Plane book, if you will touch this space, then it is also plane surface. But ball, orange, globe, bulb, these are the ball, orange, globe, bulb. These are the curved surface. If you will touch, then you cannot feel any flat surface thing. Now the next, straight or the curved edges. The next comes straight or the curved edges. Ring, bangle, these are the curved edges. But if you will have this book, if you will touch this, if you will touch this thing, then you will feel the straight. Now the 14.2, three object with plain surface. So you can write any blackboard, floor or top of the table. Three object with curved surface, ball, orange, globe, bulb, I have said 4. Three object with straight edge, dice, gift box, book, phone screen, anything. Curved edges, bangle, ring, then rolling pin. These are the curved edges. Now the solid figure. Solid figure means 3D figures or the 3-dimension figures, which has length, breadth and height. We have seen 2D figures have only length and breadth, but the figure which has length, breadth and height are the 3D figures, like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, spheres. These are the solid figures. Now come up to the cube. So in cube, every face has a square. Every face is a square and all faces are plane. So it has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3. You can see this 3. Okay. इधर है तो इसके opposite 4. Up है तो top 5 और backward 6 faces. 12 edges, 8 corners. Example, die, sugar, cube. क्यूबॉइड रेक्टेंगल फेसेस होते हैं. सेम जितने इसके फेसेस, एजेस, कॉर्नर्स है, सेम वे क्यूबॉइड के भी इतने ही है. एग्जाम्पल, शू बॉक्स और मैच बॉक्स. यू कैन टेक एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ बुक ऑल्सो. सिलेंडर के कोई कॉर्नर नहीं होता. ओनली फेसेस आर देयर. 3 faces, 2 edges. इन दैट you have to write 2 faces and 1 curved face. Example, drum, gas cylinder, log of wood. कौन तो 1 face is flat. This नीचे वाला face is flat. 1 face is curved. This one is curved. Upper one is curved. One face is curved. One edge. These are the edge and this is the corner. So 2 face, 1 edge, 1 corner. Sphere has only 1 face, no corner, no edge, nothing. Example, ball or globe. Now here you have to write shape, number of faces, number of edges and number of corners. So it is cylinder. You have to write cylinder and then the faces, edges and corner. This is cone. Globe है तो sphere. This is in the shape of sphere, cone, and this is in the shape of cube. Write the cube, cuboid, then write the cuboid. You have to do this activity. I am not doing this because I have explained you. इधर से आप you can take the help of the page number 191. These are the shape. It is written in same way. You have to write this. Just you have to identify the shapes. Which are the shape are they? Now point. So a tiny dot on a paper is called a point, and that also with a sharp pencil which gave us a point. We name a point using a capital letter. A point shows a fixed position. एक fixed position है. If we have point, if you are standing at the place and we have pointed there with a dot that you are standing, so it gives us the fixed position that yes, you are standing here only, not left, not right, not front, not back. So a point does not have any length, any breadth or any thickness. Now here comes the line. So line is the a group of points joined together which form a line. Example, this P and Q. This is the symbol of a line. Line has no end point. We can extend up any length and we can draw number of lines through one point. One point से इस point से हम लोग endless line बना सकते हैं. But with the 2 point we can make only one line with the 3 point, we can make only one line, but a 1 point से हम लोग many lines बना सकते हैं. Now line segment. So line segment is also a part of line only, but it has a fixed length like 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, like this. This is the symbol of the line segment. It has 2 endpoints. Now the ray is a line which can be extended only at one direction, not from this we can extend. Like this you have to do this exercise 14.4. I have explained you everything, so you have to do it like from here only.